In this video, we'll quickly walk you through how to track signer actions and timestamps, so you'll know exactly when someone opens, signs, or makes any other changes to your document. This is a crucial step in ensuring accountability and transparency, especially in business or legal documents. Tracking signer actions and timestamps is super simple when you're using the right software. We've tested a few of the most popular tools out there, and today we're using a software that makes it incredibly easy to do both. The best part? I've got an exclusive free trial for you to follow along with if you want to try it out yourself. Just check the description below. To get started, once you've uploaded your document to the software, you'll usually see an option for audit trail or tracking. This feature logs every action that a signer takes. It tracks when they view, sign, and even if they make any changes to the document, like adding initials or comments. The beauty of this feature is that it captures both the date and time of each action, so you'll have a complete record of the entire process. If you want to see the timestamps for each action, simply click on the audit trail option. Here, you'll be able to view the detailed log, which includes the exact time and date each signer took action. For example, you'll see something like Signer 1 viewed document at 10:05 a.m., signed at 10:07 a.m. You'll also see a timestamp for when they completed the document or if there was an error or delay. It's great for tracking the flow of a document and ensuring everything stays on schedule. The beauty of timestamping this data is that it gives you an accurate record that you can refer back to if there are any disputes or questions about the signing process. Some software even allows you to export this data as a PDF or spreadsheet so you can keep it for your own records or share it with your team or clients. Now, if you want even more detailed tracking, some tools allow you to see what actions the signer took within the document, whether they clicked a specific box, entered information, or made comments. You can track this in real time and get alerts as soon as a signer performs an action. To make this even smoother, if you're tracking several signers, our software lets you quickly view each signer's history. This can be really helpful if you're managing multiple contracts or deals at once and need a clear overview of where everything stands. The key takeaway here is that tracking signer actions and timestamps gives you full visibility into the document signing process, offering both security and peace of mind. With the right tool, you can easily access this information and ensure that every step of the process is accounted for. Let's quickly recap. First, you upload your document, then enable the audit trail or tracking feature. From there, you can view exactly when and what actions were taken by each signer, along with timestamps. You'll have complete transparency throughout the process, making sure everything is signed on time and in order. Don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial for this software in the description below and start tracking signer actions and timestamps today. Thanks for watching.